So we're going to Washington DC. What are we going to do? I am not sure. We're gonna take the metro train. This is my second time going on the metro. I went on it 4 years ago. I don't know how I will feel now that I start to get panicking about a lot of things these days. So I'm not even sure. But we'll see. Welcome to Metro. Look at her face. Hey, ride the Metro with me. Do you want to ride the Metro with me? I thought it would be going fast, but it's not. It's just slow. Like in a real life, somebody thinks that the train will never go faster. Maybe one will fast. It's my second time on a train. I guess the first time it's too long, so I never remember. But if I remember something right, which maybe that's something wrong. The first time the train did go faster. So we're at another train station now and it's gonna stop. Pick up more passengers. Of course. There's another train. It's gone. That's the airport. So I am in Washington DC. We just left the train station, and I don't know where we're going. We're just walking and touring and looking and taking pictures, and I don't know. freeway.
I was about to give up a table or something. Hold up. I forgot American one for a moment.
Oh, that's the water dinosaur.
See you.
The water dinosaurs. They're huge. Like, look at that tusk. Look at those two tusks. Oh, I'm telling you, people were collecting ivory back in the day. These things. Yes. I mean, they are extinct. They're not extinct
Quicker. Yeah.
And in that time, evolution produced an astonishing array of sizes, shapes, and species that lived on every continent on Earth. And then it all ended.
That's a small
Chunks like this, you find just rocking around all over the place. This is a piece of a Triceratops dinosaur. Well, what's so amazing about these dinosaur bones? This white layer is the most interesting layer in this entire valley. This layer is the actual fallout of 6.02 million years ago, precisely the time the dinosaurs went extinct. Below this layer, dinosaur bones are
Evolution changed course. An asteroid smashed on Earth, triggering a massive explosion. It set off a chain of devastating events, fires, acid rain, ash storms.
People always talk about the extinction of the
Oh, then
dinosaurs.
that thing is big.
But think about the rest of the ecosystem. Plants,
Dinosaur. Must be one. What's that?
It's like,
What's this?
dinosaur.
It's huge.
Maybe it's I thought it was that thing. Those are the biggest ones. That is huge. This one, giant guy. They Brontosaurus, I think they're called. I think these ones are called Brontosaurus. Or Camarasaurus. Oh, so there's a bunch of them, but the long neck ones. You see, his head is all the way there. Oh, and his tail is all the way back there. You have to come around here.
Wow. That
So
tail is
that
long.
Tyrannosaurus Rex over there, they hunt these ones and eat them, even though they're bigger. Because that's a carnivore and this is a plant eater.
Oh.
See, they're showing you like they eat, killing. Oh, so see this one right here with the long neck and long tail, that is not like
Oh. This. Mm-hmm.
It was the Great Decline, the biggest mass extinction in Earth's history.
it's not.
To find
They are
those
bored
survived,
small, but they grow so fast.
centuries
guess this is the biggest one they've found so far where they these ones are huge and
So tell me something. Them something else?
they yes.
No, I really something them.
A real bone. These are real bones.
Really?
That's why I love watching documentaries. I love watching them.
Just a real.
Yeah, these are real bones. Like you know when they say they find a fossil, that's what they're talking about, the bones. So the people that the video that was playing back there that we didn't watch, it shows he's looking at the different layers of the earth and he can tell which layer there are fossils in because they call it the great extinction. When they all died out, then everybody had different reasons as to why. But these things actually existed and roamed the earth before we existed on it.
Wow.
I mean, if I didn't see these bones, I would think this is all made up, but it's real. Like, it was here. I mean, with the time frame that scientists have and the time frame that the Bible have does not match up, but I'm not like too much into the science or whatever, but I know that they existed. They were here.
Wow.
See, they don't even know if this is a teenager or this is a full adult. They don't even know that.
Years to regain diversity. Ocean life became vastly different. The extinction and reset element.
Like back in the day, humongous.
Okay.
So you had extinction in the ocean, you have extinction on land. A lot of people have different ideas and different science backing up their theory.
So we're leaving Washington DC now to go back home. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, this video. Until next time, peace out.